Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys tricks on how to save money while you're shopping online. If you're interested and want to save yourself some money, some bucks in the pocket, keep watching this video. So before I start this video, I will be cautioning you guys that my tips and tricks have worked for me and my friends have shared, and I decided why not give you the information because it's working for me and my friends. Okay, so don't come for me. Let's jump right in to the video. Guys, I am looking down on a piece of paper where I have written all these tricks, and don't mind me when I look down a bit. Trick number 1, put your item in the cart. Hear me out guys, hear me out on this one. What I mean is, once you've selected the item that you want to buy and you've put it in your cart, leave it there for some time. If you're looking forward to buying something and it's at the back of your mind, at times you may want to buy this item and it does not have a discount code or a coupon code, so you'll be frustrated a bit. But trust me guys, if you put it there or like a week prior before you actually buy it, the seller or the vendor is going to approach you and send you some coupons and discount codes, and they tell you that if you buy this item, this is the discount you're going to get. And wow, you just saved yourself like 200 Kenya shillings, 300 Kenya shillings, depending on what you are buying from that particular store. I hope that is clear. Tip number 2, it's very obvious. Once you have the item and you've got the coupon code, use it. It will not cost you a thing. Using those coupon codes or those discount codes, it's actually going to help you save money. It will help you save money, trust me, it will help you save money. But if you have the money to pay for it, okay, go ahead and buy it. It's not your problem, so why are we giving it to you as a problem? Tip number 3 guys, tip number 3. I said that 3 times, literally. Tip number 3 is put the item or those items that you want to buy in the wish list. When you go online shopping, there's normally that heart that pops up, that sign that looks like a lovely heart on the below the item. That's the wish list. You can actually put your items in the wish list, and sometimes when you put the item on the wish list, the price tends to go like $100 shilling lower or 200 shillings lower compared to the original price that you actually put it. So it's going to actually help you, and if you have the money, then you can actually buy it with that price lower and all that. And at times, even the seller or the vendor of this particular shop, they will send you a message and tell you that this item that you have put on the wish list has dropped from this amount to this amount. You can actually get it now before the amount goes back to its original state, which I think is a good idea, and you're going to help yourself save some money. It's important. The times we are living in, you need to save your money. So that's why I'm giving you these tricks. We are on tip number 3. Before you even see my tip number 4, yeah, I'd like you to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, share with your friends and family, and leave a comment. Yeah, leave a comment. Tip number 4 guys is buy the items when they are on the flash sale. Buy flash sale. Ooh, that's a tongue twister, you guys over there. They always have a flash sale on different hours. For example, KILIMALL have it for like after every 2 hours. There are different items that are on the flash sale. So it is up to you to check it out and see all the flash sales that are going on for that particular day, and you can actually set a reminder so that when it gets to that time, you can actually buy that product at that specific time at with that price that has been written there. Normally they always go like half the price below, if not 3/4. And most of these items on the flash sale are the ones that they want to get, like the vendor has something new and they want to introduce, so they want you to buy these items so that they can actually put the other items for you guys to buy new awesome items. Trick number 5, guys: shop during the holiday seasons. Shop during the holiday seasons. Again, shop during the holiday seasons. Guys, we all know during holidays, Easter, New Year's Eve, Christmas, what other holidays are there? During all these holidays, guys, Jamhuri Day, Madaraka Day, Labor Day, all these holidays, Independence Day, there's always a sale going on during these holidays, and prices are normally way crazy cheap than the actual price when it's just on a normal Monday. Okay? So during holidays, items are cheaper, and that's actually a time you can actually get to buy your stuff. This is what I do with AliExpress, and this is how I get my items, and I am actually patient and wait for them to arrive because I know I'll be needing it maybe in a couple of months. So I'll wait for this particular holiday, order it, and then get it, and then I can use it when it arrives. I hope I explained that very well. Trick number 6, guys, is you shop during the opposite season. You see, for example, Christmas is coming in like how many months? Very soon. Christmas is coming, and the best time for you to buy Christmas decorations and all that is actually now, because when it gets to that Christmas, things actually happen to be a bit way more pricey because they know it's in high demand and people will actually buy it at that price because they need it, it's in demand, so they're actually going to up it a bit. So I will not use the seasons in Kenya because we don't experience those seasons in Kenya, but for those people out there, when you are in your winter season, I think this is the best time to shop for your summer clothes. Yeah, during winter, they're actually trying to sell winter clothes and people will buy because it's in high demand. So the summer clothes will not be as much of people's attention, and the price will tend to be a bit cheaper or lower so that you can actually buy them and save you your money. That's what I actually do. So when it's spring, buy clothes for winter, or when it's summer, buy clothes for winter. And yeah, you'll get your item on a budget. If you're out there and you're living on a budget, I believe we are all living on a budget. That's why we buy things that we are able to afford, because we are all living on a budget. Okay, I said what I said. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please leave a comment down in the comment section. You know the norm in here. Like this video, share and subscribe. Hit that little red button on your right side, and please go watch my other videos right here. They'll be popping up right here for you guys to actually go and check them out. My haul videos and my review videos on things that I have actually bought online. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one.